Hey everybody, Dan Henry here, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through my setup for video because everybody is always asking me how I get such good video for ads and things like that. And as you can see here, hi, you can see me there? I'm gonna walk you through right now my whole setup, the camera, how I feed it into the computer, the whole thing. Here we go. All right, so this is my little makeshift setup that I have, and this is due to the fact that we're all under the coronavirus thing. So I'm working from home right now, and it is messy, but that's real life. So let's go ahead and start from the camera. So this right here is a Blackmagic Pocket 4K. It's a very nice camera. It's about, I think it's like $1,200 bucks, but when you add lenses and all that, it's more expensive. So as you can see here, you can use a regular DSLR camera if you want as well. But this is a very, very good camera. Now on top of this is the lens here. Because this is a micro 4/3 mount, instead of a regular EF lens, we have to use a Metabones adapter to get a normal Canon EF lens to fit on this camera. So I have the Metabones adapter to a Sigma 18-35, which is a fantastic sharp lens. It's amazing. And then on right here, I have a Tiffin ND filter, I think it's a 70 millimeter Tiffin ND filter, and that allows me to get that nice shallow depth of field by adjusting the aperture from right here. If you don't know what that is, don't worry, a DSLR will do you just fine. Now, from here, I have an HDMI cable running out, and that HDMI cable comes into this Blackmagic Ultra Studio Mini recorder. And the HDMI goes in there. You can also do an SDI input. Out is I guess this is a lightning cable that comes out of here and goes into the computer there. So now this camera is being fed into this computer. So, and don't mind the lotion and the tissues. I have really bad eczema. No jokes, please. Okay, so now what happens is I can bring up open broadcast software, which is OBS, and all I have to do is hit the little plus button right here and hit Blackmagic device, and then I select OK, and from there I can choose my device, and it's already here, but when I hit OK, bam, and as you can see, it's much, much better than if I did this. FaceTime HD camera. Okay, so you see me, I look real just like my skin looks red and blotchy, everything's the same focus, whereas here, everything is, like the background is blurred, or blurred more, and I can get it to blur more. My skin is nice and like creamy. If you look at my elbow, if I go like this, my elbow's all white and just blech. But if you go like this, it looks nice. And you can adjust the color way more on this. Anyway, so that's how you get the video in. Now, as far as the audio goes, right here, you will notice, so you see there, you see my, the audio? That is from this microphone right here. So this is a Shure SM7B to a a Yellowtech Mica arm, which I have hooked up with the little thingy right here, and I got this bad boy right here, okay? Now, at my office, I have a much nicer compressor, but let me just show you the chain. This microphone goes into this box. It's a tube preamp and compressor. Now, I use an ART voice channel at the office, but here, just because I didn't want to bring that big thing, I use this. And what this does, as you can see, test, is it adds a little tube drive, and it adds some gain reduction for compression. And that makes my voice sound nice and big and boomy and nice and good. So as you can see, the XLR cable from the microphone goes in here. The audio is processed. The audio comes out of here and then goes into this Scarlett USB interface. And when I talk, test, 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 you see the light up there. I can also, if I'm recording on this whiteboard right here, I can also use this, which is my wireless lav, and go in as well. Now, here, what I do is you just want to make sure that you have the Scarlett 214, not your built-in microphone and not the Blackmagic. You want this, you want the Scarlett interface. The final thing is, because there's a delay between the camera and the microphone. Hold on, we'll go to advanced audio properties. See where it says mic aux? That's this one. See, mic aux, mic aux. You put a 300 millisecond delay. And the reason is because there's a difference in time. You want to delay the microphone 300 milliseconds. Otherwise, the voice and video will be off. So to sync it, you put a 300 millisecond delay, or you mess with it until it syncs up. So that's pretty much everything, except for this ring light. There's one more thing I gotta show you. So this ring light is really awesome. You turn it on, and it can go from, it has 2 color temperatures. That's daylight, and that right there is tungsten, or what these lights right here are. And so what ends up happening is, if it's at night and I have those lights on, I'll put it here and I'll adjust the color settings on the camera. But if it's daylight, this is how strong the light is, and this is the color of the light. All right, so 32 for inside, that for daylight, and now that matches the daylight that's coming in from here. You don't want to mismatch them. I'm giving you guys like a crash course in cinematography here. Okay, the final thing is you want to be able to click on settings, like so, and you want to go to output, and you want to go to recording, and right here where it says bitrate, you want to put at least 10,000, because that's going to give you a really, really nice looking video. Not as nice as if we recorded it direct to the camera, put it in like Adobe Premiere, colored it, all that. But for quick YouTube ads, for quick Facebook ads, I just record it right here, pop it up on YouTube, done. I can literally record a video in just a few minutes and it's done. If it's something like a sales video for a product, like a sales video for a product that I'll be using a lot, I'll film that on a regular camera. But this is how you do quick and easy stuff. And that's my whole setup. So the camera goes into this mini USB recorder, or this Ultra Studio recorder, into the iMac, and then this bad boy, or whatever microphone, goes into this to make me sound good. Then it goes into this, which also feeds into here. Feed them both into OBS, sync them, hit record, and I'll just show you real quick what this looks like. Hey guys, this is a test. This is a big test, blah, 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 blah. And boom, there it is. So if I double click on this, you'll see here. Hey guys, this is a test. This is a big test, blah, 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 blah. And that's it, done deal. So that's it, guys. That's my setup, and that's pretty much how I have things, whether I'm at home, whether I'm at the office. At the office, I do have a little nicer of a compressor, and more lighting than, but see, because I have this big window right here, my house is full of big windows. I have plenty of natural light. I don't really need a bunch of lighting, and if I do, I just have this one ring light which supplements. That is it, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope this is helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more awesome videos like this. And as well, I will leave a link down in the YouTube description if anybody wants to pick up a copy of my book, Digital Millionaire Secrets. You guys will love it. Shows you how I built an 8-figure business selling my advice online. Nothing crazy. Anyway, see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button. Smash it.